So this game is called Ice Hopper. This game can be played in small groups or with the entire class together. You're going to need about 8 to 10 feet of space in the classroom to play this game. If you don't have that amount of space, you can make the game just a little bit shorter, or you could play it in the hall if that's something that's allowed. You'll take the students that are going to play this game and divide them into 2 separate teams. You'll have each team stand in single file line next to each other, and in between the 2 teams, you're going to place 1 chair. That chair is going to serve as a starting point for this game. You are then going to place a second chair about 8 feet away from that first chair, and that chair is just serving as a turnaround point for the race. You will hand each student in line 2 of these foam pieces that came in the game bag, and that's going to be the ice that the students are going to be traveling on. When you tell the students to go, they are going to use their ice to travel to that turnaround point, 1 piece at a time. So you'll see here you have to pick up the first piece of ice and move it in front in order to travel on it. They can't step on the ground. They can only step traveling on their ice. Once they get back to their starting point, they pick up the ice, they give it to the next student in line, who then races doing the exact same thing. So this is like a relay race, one team racing against the other to see which team can be the first one to get all of their members through the course and back in line. Now there's a number of different ways you can change this game up. If you find that you have a really small group playing this game, you may want to play just with 1 team instead of 2, and that 1 team can just race against the clock. You can time them to see how long it takes and see if they can beat their time each round that they play it. Another way to play, if you find that the students are younger and it's taking them a really long time to get through the course, you may want to have them just race on the ice down to the turnaround point and then pick up their ice and walk it back if it's something that's taking them too long and they're struggling with. Have fun.